Well, g'day guys, why are chili plants hot? Well, the simple, straightforward answer is capsaicin. Now, capsaicin is a complex molecule only and exclusively found in the pepper plant family. It's naturally occurring, and that is what actually sets your mouth on fire when you bite into one of those delicious chilies. But I guess the big question is, why did the pepper plants choose over time to develop this molecule that causes so much pain? Now, I ask that question because most fruits love the eat, travel, and poop method, meaning an animal will come along, they'll look at that brightly colored piece of fruit on the tree, they'll eat that and in turn ingest the seeds. The seeds will travel along in the internal organs of that creature until they are pooped out on the other end, far away from the mother tree, and thus continuing the circle of life. Now, the chili plant is absolutely no different. It wants its fruit eaten and traveled and pooped out somewhere else as well. But this is where the capsaicin comes into play. You see, a lot of small rodents and insects, when they eat the fruit, they actually chew and damage the seeds. So by the time those seeds get into the internal organs and are pooped out on the other side, they won't germinate because they've been chewed up, their outer shells have been damaged, and it's all over for the chili plant. Now, through many years of research, what scientists have discovered is that this burning chemical capsaicin does not affect birds, only small rodents, mammals, and insects. So what does that tell us? It tells us that there is so much more to the evolution of pepper plants. You see, because a pepper plant has specifically chosen an animal that doesn't chew its food. It eats the fruit, swallows it down, flies away, and poops out the seed. So chili plants are actually kinda smart. They've developed this awesome complex molecule called capsaicin to eliminate insects and other mammals from eating them, but whilst not affecting flying animals so that they can be eaten whole, flown away, and pooped out to germinate. I don't know about you, but the chili plant seems incredibly intelligent and has really taken this survival of the fittest to the next level. Well guys, I just find the chili plant to be absolutely amazing, and I hope this has answered your question as to why chili plants are hot. It's actually a survival mechanism through a complex molecule called capsaicin. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.